Hi. So first of all, I would like to extend gratitude towards your interest in our application, Graffiti. So what you're seeing on your screen is the first page of our application. The application name is called Graffiti because what we essentially conceptualize into the application is the fact that in our colleges we kind of have a day towards the end of our final year where we tend to write on the t-shirts of our friends, and that day is called Graffiti Day. So on this day usually what happens is that we all are given a white t-shirt, and we go to a place where every one of us collects, and our friends and people close to us can write on our t-shirt anything and everything that they want to say to us, or they want to tell us about all the 4 years which we spent in our colleges, or 3 years depending. So yeah, this is what our application essentially does. We provide a virtual platform or digital platform on which when you sign up using your college admission number, your standard values like password, first name, last name, and you also get to choose the department to which you enroll. And once you are signed up, you are taken to the dashboard. So here I'll sign in with my college ID, and yes, you're taken to a dashboard where you can see the picture. This is the picture that you get. Initially it will be a blank page because that is what with which we all start, a blank t-shirt, and your friends can write over it the messages that they want to tell you or everything they want to say. And if you check out the dashboard, you will see that there are many options like you can go over various departments, you can find your friends over various departments, because it happens that in college we don't really stay in a single department, we kind of make friends across departments. So you can choose a department which you like, in which you want to find your friend, and you can go to that department, and then you can just search the name. Suppose I want to find a Vijit in computer engineering, I can search the name for a Vijit in computer engineering, and yes, I get a Vijit, and I can just go over, I can click over the tab, and I'll be taken to the page where I'll be given the chance to edit the Abhijit t-shirts. So yeah, there are two phases of the t-shirt. For the first, by default you are brought to the front side of the t-shirt, and you can also see that if the front side is very like cluttered or full, you can also go to the back side and you can write your things. So yeah, this is the front side of a t-shirt, you'll see. And we maintain a state in the application in which every user is given a single chance to edit a t-shirt. So you can't write more than one message on a t-shirt. So that is just made to avoid clutterance, because a single guy can have many friends, and if everyone starts writing many messages, then like a t-shirt would not be enough. So we maintain a scenario in which every user will be given a single chance to edit a message. And yeah, following, you can also go to your profile page where you will be shown all the IDs of the friends that wrote on your t-shirt, and these are kind of timed. So this is kind of an timed list in which the oldest person you see is the person that wrote the latest. So this is how we maintain, and this is your t-shirt. You can also download your t-shirt by clicking on the download link, and you can also see the front and the back side of your t-shirt. So yeah, this is the application. We also provide you a chance. Suppose you don't want to stay on our platform and you want to move out, you can also delete your account providing your password. So yeah, that has been our application as of now. We are kind of planning to expand it, and we are planning to expand in the sense that we are also providing support for various colleges. We are providing support for changing your password, changing your account username and other stuff. And yeah, these are a few of the things that we are planning to do, and if properly taken by the community, we can also extend this to various colleges, because this is just a fun event that we built for our college and not something that we would like to just stay to our college. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the demo of Graffiti, and if you like it, you can contact us on the mails or in the comments or wherever you want. Yeah, thank you so much.